Welcome to the very first episode of Social Media. I'm your host, Bren Ash, and joining me today is an expert in task management, Leora Dale. Today, we're diving into the expansive universe of Facebook, a platform that has become integral to the social fabric of our time. Leora, thank you for being here.
Thanks for having me, Bren. I'm excited to discuss Facebook and its implications not just on productivity but on various aspects of our lives.
Absolutely. Facebook is so much more than just a social networking site. It's a living archive of our personal histories, a news platform, and even a marketplace. But let's start at the beginning. Leora, what do you think has been the key to Facebook's monumental rise from a college project to a global powerhouse?
I believe it's a combination of timing and adaptability. Launching right when the world was ready for digital connectedness on a personal level, Facebook managed to tap into an innate human desire to share our lives and stay connected. What's more impressive is how it's continuously adapted. Whether through new features like Facebook Live or integrating Instagram and WhatsApp, Facebook has been incredibly proactive in maintaining its relevance.
That's true. Its agility in responding to user needs and industry trends has been remarkable, but this adaptability also raises questions. As Facebook has integrated more features and grown in power, it's been at the center of significant controversy, especially regarding privacy. How do you see this balance between utility and privacy?
The balance is indeed tricky. On one hand, users want innovative features and deep integration into their daily lives, which inherently requires some level of data sharing. On the other hand, the potential for overreach and data misuse is daunting. The Cambridge Analytica scandal is a stark example of how mishandling this balance can damage user trust and bring regulatory scrutiny. Transparency and robust privacy controls are critical moving forward.
Absolutely. And I think transparency will continue to be a big talking point for all social media platforms. But let's pivot a bit. Facebook's role as a massive advertising platform cannot be understated. It's changed the game for businesses, especially small to medium enterprises. What's your take on its impact in this area?
Facebook has democratized advertising in a way no other platform has. The specificity of targeting options available is incredibly powerful, allowing businesses to reach and engage their ideal audiences with a level of precision traditional media can't offer. However, there is a learning curve, and the platform's algorithm shifts mean businesses must continually adapt their strategies. Many successful campaigns I've worked on have leveraged Facebook's analytics tools to adapt and refine their approaches dynamically.
Right. And those shifts in strategy are essential in a rapidly changing digital landscape. Shifting gears, I'm curious about your thoughts on Facebook compared to newer social platforms. How do they stand up against this veteran?
Newer platforms like TikTok and Snapchat offer fresh perspectives and engage younger audiences in ways Facebook struggles. However, Facebook's demographic reach, coupled with its tools for businesses and its news dissemination capabilities, keeps it indispensable. Its acquisition strategy, integrating Instagram and WhatsApp effectively, highlights an approach to stay relevant by tapping into the strengths of these emerging platforms, essentially blending novelty with its established base.
Judging by the continuing prominence of Facebook, that strategy seems to be working. Before we wrap up, let's dream a bit. If you had a crystal ball, where do you see Facebook headed in the next decade?
With technology advancing at such an unprecedented pace, I see Facebook embedding itself deeper into the ecosystem of our daily lives, possibly venturing into augmented and virtual reality, as hinted by their investments. There is also potential for further innovations in AI, enhancing user interaction and content delivery. Given the growing focus on digital currencies, Facebook could also expand within the fintech sector, following up on its attempt with Libra. The future is digital, and Facebook is well positioned to be a central player in that evolution.
It'll be fascinating to see how these possibilities unfold. Leora, thank you for sharing your insights on Facebook and its broader implications. It's clear there's much more to explore, and I'm looking forward to future discussions.
Thank you, Bren. I enjoyed diving into this topic and am keen to see how our digital lives continue to evolve.